are here at the Rust-O-Rama in Salem, Oregon, 2016. It is a magnificent day.
So
sunny
out here.
outside. So many cool people. We've just been talking to a lot of them. So check it out with us and tell us what you like at the end. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Don't you believe me that you're the only one? And I feel so alone, baby, well, since your honey, baby, has been gone. Yeah, honey, baby. Yeah, honey, baby.
Hey, welcome to Cigar Lounger. What's your name?
I'm Dave LeCompte.
And where are you from, Dave?
From Salem area.
Salem area? And what have we got here?
This is a 36 Chevrolet school bus.
36 Chevrolet school bus. Amazing. And are you having a good time?
Great time.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
All right.
Oh, honey, baby. I never wasn't true. And I even told no lie. You are my love, baby. Well, honey, I, baby, don't know why.
Welcome to Rust-O-Rama.
Thank you.
Today.
I'm doing real good.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm David Schmidt. I live about a mile down the road.
A mile down the road. And this is your ride?
Yeah, 1929 Model A.
1929 Model A. Amazing. And are you having a good time?
Oh yeah, this is a great thing to do.
Thanks, man.
Baby, don't know why.
Salem Cigar Lounger. What's your name?
Daryl Curl,
Daryl Curl. Where are you from, Daryl?
Salem,
Salem. Nice. And what do we got here?
48 Chevy Aero sedan.
48 Chevy Aero sedan? Amazing. And where did you find this?
Found it from a guy up in Tualatin.
Nice. And are you having a great time?
I'm having an awesome time.
Every year, buddy.
Yeah.
Welcome back, loungers.
Welcome back.
So glad to have you with us today. We had such a fantastic time up at Rust-O-Rama. It's one of our favorite events of the year.
It is. Top two.
Top two.
Viva Las Vegas is number one. Sorry, Viva. You're still number one. Rusto, you're amazing.
Well, Vegas.
Yeah.
You know.
Come on. It's Viva Las Vegas. It's great. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. And welcome to our first summer video of the year, which is amazing. We don't get too much summer here in Oregon.
Our
we
nice
have to
little
enjoy
studio.
every minute of it. So yes, welcome to our Tiki Nook. So we had a lovely time at Rust-O-Rama, as always. Thank you so much to the Cherry City Bombers for putting that on.
Cherry City. They always do this for a nonprofit, and the nonprofit they were sponsoring this year was Magic Wheelchair.
Magic Wheelchair. Magic.
So it was great to be a part of that because they're doing something good for their local community.
They are. They're adorable wheelchairs they make for kids with special needs and things like that, and they make them to all kinds of different themes. As you'll be seeing right now, there's a video of a cute kid in a dinosaur wheelchair, and they had kids that were like in treehouse wheelchairs and transformer wheelchairs and everything you can possibly imagine. They make them these awesome wheelchairs. So bravo to Rust-O-Rama and the Cherry City Bombers for putting that on. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Also, congratulations to our friends Colt and Jenna Lee, who got married at the event.
That's probably my favorite part. I love Rust-O-Rama.
Rockabilly wedding, baby.
Yes, but the Rockabilly wedding was very cool, and it's perfect for them, so it was great to be a part of it, and that they included everybody there. It's pretty amazing.
Pretty awesome sauce. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Also, Lola has got herself a new toy as of this week.
I do have this beautiful new toy. I can't wait to show it to you. And you'll probably get sick of it because we're going to do some vlogging about redoing this. We got a 1966 Travelese and
Travel trailer,
I'm
aka
in love.
caravan for our British viewers.
Yes, we're going to be caravanners. So it's beautiful. Well, it's actually it needs a lot of work. It's a diamond in the rough.
It's a diamond in the rough.
It's a really rough.
It will be amazing sauce, and it's going to be awesome. And we will be doing
like a phoenix. She will rise from the ashes.
Hopefully there'll be no ashes at all. Hopefully it will just be all right.
Yes, exactly.
So had a great time. Amazing cars, amazing people. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, on our YouTube. And don't forget, we have a Facebook page. There's several thousand of you following us over there. You can see pictures of her in an awesome 1966 travel trailer on our Facebook page. There are new pictures every single day. All these videos you see, only about a fourth of the pictures ever even make it into the video. All the pictures get onto our Facebook page, and then also our Instagram page gets 2 to 4 pictures a day as well. All of it is under Cigar Lounger. I am Duke. This is Lola.
Lola.
There, Lola. Cigar Lounger with Duke and Lola. There it is. That's how you find us.
And remember, we go out and film these events so that you can sit at home, lounge around, and enjoy them.
Cheers.